Summer Senna when you and the Bill straight away and after the summer I think of 4 months so to me the life for the show after and so let me home and some also a check one for a month so best someone say there few Formula 1 say an echo refer somewhat on Formula 1 on the Cano channel or present other Mercedes also the open the Mercedes one refer Larry Samotano a part of penny for band of contract extension to me the amount was currently £40 million a year a penny for money extension on between increases Canadian man now for the sick and some pajama and we refer Larry Samotano to me at present the Mercedes also Ejima Konadiaka and a Sanamadu weekend the point in the bit of Bonamadi or the Sanamadu weekend the other Mexican Adam Grand Prix a bit so to me at score idea or Nagasani team to refer the Vatari a point as a Kabian show at least by F of 14 points or refer Larry Samotano between the set idea what tap to the Bonus and a contract extension or a penny national to me Adam refer Larry Samotano any different my depa idea home community a show as a Champions League Tuesday Wednesday for a year through my idea who will be to me and then a money to me copy saying their players on modern over the weekend and all say at the end of the UEFA penny for my bit play of the weekend we refer Paulo Bruno Dybala honorable praise over the weekend and all and after Alexis Chamberlain and also praise we refer Kylian Mbappe hat-trick and after we refer Raheem Sterling shoot me 3 at Man City Football Club and all into any players of the weekend penny for and I nominate an African goal of the weekend and also their first their 4 best goals and all saying nominations in the because we refer Sabisa or Shego de Tazens in Peters Benjamin Yadia you heard me say be obey me at their goal of the weekend after refer Chamberlain show a second goal of Charity Akenkeno and nomination been refer Paulo Dybala and also the first goal Charity Locomotive Moscow and nomination of Arante for currently Tolisso and also the goal of Shadema Pamela Kediti Olympiacos no and Penfacot Shop is no a bit major mamma to shop say goal of the weekend any the copy mo UEFA Champions League no shading commonly be ever Chimedian show come Paco Pimo Spain and the Minokas footballers are or my Spain Monteso or which my weekend your Moko track on Yadia Moko Park and so a couple games in the Moveros area football club because idea Uko Pima area Spain or Association of Women Football no upon the yen money now as a condition of service no and so that encoye crown farmer man no it won't say it's Casamono a clubs need to move to the association every now for clubs and so your partner footballer or association every now for ja o sika so no to pay mo and in Ghana hankwa na man football no musu coach Spain na man so so weekend o much ma base 200 idea female footballers no o mutiasi drum nya de on bako popo weekend dem various clubs no and any if you spend there and so yeah then come on be ultimate then so o ka pa me ka so mo copy mo Tuesday no e Greece ko so Olympiacos football club no e pen for the to just say days off anya their ploys no bet ma ko idea strapper na strapper ko training partner no pay your idea strapper na idea strapper training ground na players training idea extra training say na be fitness level na bet me kon kan o refer Michael Cooksan o refer Goreska Jerome Boateng Ivan Perez na for refer Afonso Davis no o won copy mo o Savannah strapper ko extra training but national so days idea mom of that is a day off the map America mo some players no refer Avi Martinez and copy mo o training na say but on the end or your individual work because idea during the game against Olympiacos no point no to make a pick injury bin team and then pay for mo koye no o to make an individual training nya do join other 8 players no and the copy no refer no your captain and my of course goalkeeper and my football card they send to ja say nya do bet me play idea goals now or mo consider against Olympiacos no o to me for play mo no kon come say idea no more players no more injury and no can be na my defense me mo mia o man to me and kon bo am fi clean sheet event me anko and I during the game so refer no and Lucas Hernandez says I'm going to 90 minutes and no copy here am having Martinez and no start as a center back and no copy here benefit man saying you not bet no but then carry am yes and no and am no dey better just say on to me blame say injuries no and am say goals in the pa in mom no on so more enough good defenders and come bet me up then can goals in to me pa and don't me blame say injuries here pa here and there Olympiacos football club no it me ma ba me for and me keep clean sheet no and then say we refer am no your captain no e dey to no say this in the video ma e juma dey so copy mo idea FIFA or ma show mo FIFA rankings no e pa latest on anya beto dey in fact top 10 no e for mo Iriasi afana nyina e pa just stop page for no number 1 assassin so France for touch number 2 Brazil number 3 England for up so papa o moto so makoma na number 5 no e ma conclude Uruguay last 5 aka no Obenya Portugal Croatia Spain Argentina and after Colombia for no it me compete the top 10 of the latest FIFA rankings that for no so abeto the month of October and say don't send video ma e wo jumede so refer na date Muhammad on here for my Bamene come play and or bo Abrante FN no Philippe Coutinho ni so chima boy no as of Bamene na chance no na so position binti or then hope ja na fan de kodun pepe so bi as I feel the boy na theater say Bamene ke bo football na so be check assist yeah but check on my assist now I'm a referee Lewandowski and other players now and the post good net nya be nya referee Philippe Coutinho di won bi e ba na tane ha do chema point no the talent guitar na ban attacking wise na e bebre but so na say no point no as a 50% per and the man ba me come so mo football club no e do one say point no form no as wa sha da relax kakra e ti bia ka boy ne pejane form no so one pejane form ne say no be dia ne kwan say ba me for no do no mutumi ne permanent way and to referee Ditma e hammer ne tell for no so dia to ja e dey say ne be mo dwuma de so e me copy mo Paulo Bruno di ball show ye no say ne girlfriend any about boyfriend Orena e Sapatini ne Orena Sapatini de kwa fa so ko Paulo di ball abeto ja shot say e man na mo dia mo say be say bi o mo ye guy amount mo WhatsApp area messages ni ade say no before WhatsApp ni ade text message so I am line mo pe no e pa cho Orena e Sapatini che ma WhatsApp so na Paulo di ball fa so ye ne lie so say adwuma no e mo no so ti ase e mo no so e no nya message bi from obi na no ni pakro and open because all your money and I could not boy for that oh what's happening me and I play the ball no where the channel me and I brand FM Paulo di ball no now again no no mo be friend Paulo di ball said in no nyanti be da it's not the papa na share them no the refer the ball message no e channel papa said that now when NFL Paulo di ball show football it papa na cheche mo channel say the ball boy Juve yes Argentina team no ono so sia kan but mo Messi nti ba o ta tranche mo de Argentina there yes about that tranche but Juve there aya o tanya bi e pa e po na no again no chema na o said that so convince ebia ebetumi Paulo di ball ebi obi na konya na number bi and o said this guy say no so no Paulo di ball enti ade o ye and so catch di ball say so need di ball na o dey record the voice note na fa send me enti di ball record the voice note dey send no and o call YouTube and o call tap here say ebia di ball interview bi why that after match bia Juve na Argentina ye no e boy o call say interview no and o go any mo copy mo YouTube no call here and o compare voice o call here during the interview with the other central for no o tie voices ni me na just empire through those say refer di ball e on one and e ja mo arrange meeting bi and go to restaurant bi ko di e ja ho and a match na chance set you for and also cause o to chema sisi ade o mo ya do for despite the fact say na o hu di ball adam WhatsApp no and go show so ma o mo do na de masa and o dey start pia bi and so ma get na so dia to dia de fan ko di ball ho and say this na bi dem I was showing so couple but there was fun no is there two finalists no no say river place for no ko ya dia mo Boca Juniors for no dey can qualify and run ajo and Flamengo ko chi Grêmio so me kan no semi final game pao Flamengo for no she kan no and the Grêmio for no and the official and the couple but there was final no dia River Plate and Flamengo neko the Brazil versus Argentina and game to na capra paposa ke cafe go boy no etiminya praise Edema Flamengo almost some football club no on say adia for the first time in 38 years afi and Flamengo football club no program a couple but there was a final no the last time we way back in 1981 and any feel no dey by no so ya dey come be the amount e watch me dey no so come kana make Champions League no was refer na navigate up in fortune statistically and ya dey upon I record be so far this is the Champions League ya upon 3 games and ya upon teams ni na about 3-3 each game na dey refer navigator no say ya dey no so game ni bi dey weekend dey send the Champions League games ni be call no Liverpool for that me refer navigator and show to me be completing more than 100 passes of the first ever player this season ya about Champions League game away team be player to me completing more than 100 passes in navigator no effective here penra the Liverpool almost some football club no Frank Lampard and over refer policy capaso o to Brighton and fan of Christian policy no say adia boy ni free Brighton up here or less than 30 minutes no be pass ball no e ma mechi batwai e ma dey ball to net ma Chelsea kwa we e ko sha ya Amsterdam e you hand for win na Chelsea for e 3.3 to me dey for here then no refer Lampard to just na e ba na coach ma dey ba kwa dey no so we player be dey bia no person dey bia onya bi po because who knows oyade and the same place no we just bench be so but now your manager this is a player no or never to bench na kwa be na be fa so obechiche mo dey ache into a trust over conversation refer policy so for now the bench na be ko no be ma yero ho ampa bo na be mo no the one man to me ko so na be boy e ma Chelsea to me dey ko no e ta passport dey so refer Christian e ya policy kete for or so refer Frank Lampard dey man no e dey hon ko be e was showing so Borussia Dortmund before the game and they brought the rumors be free Germany the bar so refer le san for so Colosso game na sha just so we be jeju na ye e Borussia Dortmund football club na so ye e na penifo chuma mpa e no kwaso mo de sansa ne be to jade so papa na ko win sa game na ahwe me jano kwamana ko ne mo no omo tena see analyze game no omo say na Abrante fan Paco Kase top scorer at the Dortmund football club no ono enka team no ho and af captain ref and Marco Rocha so nka ho away e international so ref and e fa la po adwuma 2-0 pod here because that two key players we and go make a difference play and the Borussia Dortmund football club no there's a star players you be let's have the Inter 14 if we need 2-0 omo so run answer them ko guni ho ma say it for now their channel akatre against Aka ye no okudi agro club so penifo be jana kwan e manatimi akwan and say no so free Dortmund omo so pa yɛde sɛ ne pɛde ma wɔtwe madie no so okopie mu ɛ classico na ayade a sɛ bebre still classico no yɛnya hu da de bon sɛ na be confirm dem sɛ ayade a competition no committee no akɔtena ti de beto sɛ 18th of December and ayade classico no bra so and official La Liga penifo chema de be some meeting na ɛkɔ so ma competition no ade mo committee ni beto just 18th of December and yɛm ɛ classico no and ɔmo consult Barca and afi ade Madrid Football Club no na asati so ohun bi da La Liga penifo na kasa yo ɔmo so ohun bi da sɛ yɛ feature teams you know and a trade date de be boy means we are say that unprecedented this is paper na be ho bi and ɔmo nyi side date to no La Liga penifo ɔmo na mo yɛ ade responsible for the features and everything they be change feature or say be call kobo game bio veno bio ɔmo La Liga for na hwe so and ɔmo so ɔmo nyi sa 18th December into no mo no 4th December no best classico no so and ade a penifo chema La Liga ne penifo chema the competition no committee no e proceed e kobo game no 18th of December temo no e be call kopie mo court ɔmo nya brave brutal go spin na nya san get the classico no for konko no mo yenu da tie for na share dey for o come pass so ya kopie mo e ayade Valencia Football Club na share ɔmo for wura bi dey for nya footballer owura for na Matthew Alemani on ayade director of sport e Valencia Football Club no na mo dey ba na say pass and penny for ni din komo say ko munya na ko ba na ko me boa e ba na say pass for ko to player e ba na say pass for e ton player kan be fa share be dia no e ma pass sika sam na tunya kon kan o sa player no mo to be ko normally can be the say pass sink out ton player and 150 ni ade but ɔmo say da ni obi papa bi o ha otumi di eboa na no ye what say nte ba bo sa fe de bu pass for e ton pro fe na Matthew Alemani from Valencia mana be boa na fe pass e ba na transfers na be na tima kon kan e de Masa Football Club no City Football Club ne go so enya sika na me no case official na Masa ne partnership agreement with Nesto Professional Nesto Professional we omo ye next cafe azira era fe vegetable food ne bi na omo ye de yike monte so City penny for ne say idea omo Nesto Professional for no enya akosan ya agreement no interfere na de kwesi e bopo e wo Itias Sports Stadium a e pa chenuane e beton Itias de no idea Nesto Professional for no e so betumi de nuane bia pa e beton Itias kama kama ne bia no e so etumi akwankan no e de for no me de pe no so e de komo ne bi e don e wo jumadi ne so coach for so na e de general meeting ne tumi to dwa so atase and general meeting ne tumi to dwa ho e na sem pite for copy mo no mo e de so ni e mo referee Andrew Anyeli ono ne president de Madrid Football Club no e de card to penny for no say ade a penny for me catch am say ade jeep adwuma ko na mo sponsor Juve Football Club no o so offer Juve jersey na bo si atwa nem GPS aka company no o mo sponsor Juve Football Club no mo chire ma ade o mo ne ade mo jeep for ne din komo say ade mo contract na ade no the year no na nya pena we ya na saka 2 months pena fe ko na we ye e the contract nya pena we pe ka bia so jeep for no we na fe o mo nya extension no so extension penny for chire ma so mo nya ye pe ka bia sika so na so be ko soro 25 million euros increment of sika mo jiri fi jeep no e na ba ka ho no e na the fi jeep so e de pa e no so e de komo ne e ma e wo so no so referee Andrew Anyeli president no e go so de komo pi e wo share with this meeting as you chire ma o mo focus for the year remaining no and I say on betumi generate be say 300 million in capital increase that is over 2 months yakai we ne minister so kan years akai no ya o mo target no na say ska no o mo nya pe o mo project bi o mo person mo ye from 2019 to 2024 say ska no mo nya e ho na mo de ko akose na be na tumi akon ko we ye to investors them samasa enye say be Juve hayat ya ne edisi ka o sika ne nya ye de ya de so atiase o Australia o mo invest close to 400 million euros our Juve Football Club no 180 e ko mo stadium na o mo renovation no and afia de o mo ni headquarters bi o mo sisi and afia J Medical Center ho and o ko top players na mo yo medical no play bi ho bi no ho and o ko na doctors ne timi hwe no o so mo renovation kakra no mo enti no sika mo ko wura mo 180 million euros na afia ade Juve store no na say that do the compare Chelsea mo ni ade na say Juve o mo store no mo de tonton mo niam no ase wo fom ti o so mpagya mo kakra enti no ensi komo yisu ye amode ye ura na chefo no so o ti mechecho we no dia to chase na krakra no o say Juve Football Club no e ko so maintain no leadership no o iti o mo league no mo na so mo ti be compete at the highest level upon European Champions League na e no is papa na dia to dia no so e dey say no be e no e wo jumadi na so Thomas Muller e pa cha dia pa na center for na hwe no say ja anyame ade mo January on be offensive reinforcement enti attackers no mo go so mo pebi o referee Thomas Muller say permanent situation no e dia di card ya bro say bo nya bi po o consider say ka bia so January say next summer no o betumi mo fi bia pa and I said Inter for no say come bia so Thomas Muller betumi abankwa de Inter Football Club no o metumi na mo watu na ja o ma ba ka no Arsenal for no this season o mo command the Football Club na so ye e ka fada ni Shibala say on loan na dia mpeni for kasa anko for bebre na kasa say bia nka da ni Shibala so akwa na Paul o po de ma the Football Club no mo sheda here aden and Arsenal for enye de no permanent na no refer United media to just say there be mo to mo say as mo pre mo do as easy ya your more 50 matches your more you Europa League games you nyam mondru ba bia so ta say enti consistency na so boy na fada ni Shibala so no enti bet me prove the chance and penny for and son of mom some bet me to so much no now be the permanent we akwa ko tues card my mother football crowd no ma je dey we na say born from net kwa na hen dey want say enti anya pressure bia ono referee na me no o so ya we say born quality and talent no o so dey about for na dey their supporters no want to pass na won hwe referee no that na she balance kaka na fe hwe say bia na form net for and na she bet me picture na say and na so etimi picture and comment no for dey pa no so ya dey say na page my because so ya dey say na page be no mo nyen ton dey kakra pa afi ya papa beto so e ba cha dey pa ni uno say ya dey o referee Pep Guardiola ka ketua bi and City Football Club on enya no so ya o mo coach o na on kwa confirm so referee man na play the season be na we ya 2016 no on to us be no mo referee Pep Guardiola na ba coach dey City Football Club dey say dey Guardiola to City penny for no say mo go pie mo German na mo ko hwe bia na meti o German no some standard na bi na me pon dey City krom ho no mo enti say be say bi o mo ko for Manchester krom no mo na ja mo ko pay down for bia fan bre me enti na City for no so bre so mo benya some standard na bi that is their standard of living na o team o dey German Manchester no mo say da nya bi o Manchester enti book bia o do bia trouble Manchester no o review secretary dey man because of then Pep Guardiola better them take aketo bi and City eduma no o tumi turn and down and no e dey fi hono e dey pass surgery almost set for na so be say dey tell say me California dey better that is the Spanish or tax authority dey better say between the years of 2012 2013 and 2014 no boy now for this obituate the tax ni nyina e dey Spain almost some authorities no the way na say okosi company bi e dey Spain hono mo hono no otua ni advertising revenue so no hono no otua dey fase na pay tax otua the Spanish company no and also be Spanish tax authority no and also bit back of my penny for channel much ma on a fine of 1 million euros no say boy na who say sika na e dey upon no who say bia pro so no on share down for my dia e kwa da obetum I appeal and any dey for no dey pa Fernando Torres Chelsea fans no ofele mo so atiase who say odemoka kwa amoko fa so amoko fa no deadline day e be pie mo Chelsea aso ye mo Liverpool for shi ni jesi nyina o boy na goals ni mo ba still na say mo feel ni ye po dwene mo no atiase o say agape love na Chelsea for no show ye e dey mo no referee Fernando Torres no asa na goals ni mo ba still I said mo say dan complain bebre na dan nyagopa besi ya behwe no ode boba ko beto na tene na Chelsea for ni no yate ya kayate ko so no kwa tibi o Spain ho say goal ko sheti abasa na Chelsea for to Ghana say o mate o mo kanyina what I say this love na mo show dem mo say ode mo ka he will ever remain faithful and of course grateful to Adia Chelsea mo supporters na and it's my Torres at for or also Adia to the for Chelsea or mo so o mo juma ko no Holy City yan ko gente te kama course